Hello everyone, it's me Samuel Taylor Ackroyd and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing the Gemini Jets 1/400 scale Emirates Airbus A380-800 in the Dubai Expo B part of the Magic livery. This is one of the models that my mother got me from the Aviation Retail Direct shop at London Heathrow Airport, full video of which was published back in June. But without further ado, let's get to having a look at the box containing the model. So on the front of the box you can see that it's a see-through box, so you can see the top of the model. Up here we have the aircraft type, Airbus A380-800, and next to it says scale 1/400. We have the Emirates logo here, and at the bottom we have two links, one of them to the Expo 2020 Dubai.com website and the second one being to the Emirates store. On the left side of the box we once again have the aircraft type and the scale of the model, as well as the Gemini Jets logo, and on the right side once again the aircraft type and the scale, and we also have the Emirates logo and the Expo 2020 Dubai UAE livery. It was supposed to happen in 2020, but then the pandemic hit and it was moved to October 2021 and March 2022. The top of the box pretty much has all the stuff that the right side of the box does, so I don't really need to tell you what there is. And the same goes for the bottom of the box. On the back of the box we once again have the aircraft type, Airbus A380-800, and we also have the specifications of the aircraft, and we also have a bit of a story on Expo 2020, and underneath that we have a diagram of the model, as well as an age warning for children who are under 3 years of age. And at the bottom we have all the legal stuff about how this model is licensed. And that's everything that is on the box. So without further ado, let's get to unboxing the model, which is very easy to do. And here is the model itself, and wow, this is a very good model and I really like it, especially the livery. So now on to the features of the aircraft. So at the front here we have the cockpit windows, and underneath the cockpit windows we have the aircraft type, Airbus A380-800. I know it's very hard to see, along with 3 sensors, one at the top and 2 at the bottom of the aircraft type. I don't know if they're the angle of attack sensors or if they're the sensors that tell the pilots what the temperature is outside. And here we have the L1 door, and just next to the L1 door we have a diagram of that woman from the Dubai Expo advert, where she was standing on top of the world's tallest building in Dubai. And the advert also featured one of Emirates' Airbus A380s in this livery. And to the right of the diagram of the woman from the advert we have the slogan "Be part of the magic" in big white lettering, and pretty much all around the rest of the aircraft, pretty much all the colours in the rainbow, but most of the aircraft is blue, as you can probably see. And here we have the second door on the left hand side, just in front of the left wing of the aircraft, which I'm going to get to now. So as you can see here we have engines 1 and 2. On engine 1 you can see the word Expo, and on engine 2 you can see the word Dubai. And the wings feature all the usual stuff that you get on wings: the flaps, slats, speed brakes, the ailerons, and the red navigation light on the left wing, as well as the Emirates logo here on these wing tips, or whatever they're called. And here we have the overwing exit, which is the third door on the left hand side. We'll have another one on the right hand side for the right wing. And from this door all the way to the back of the aircraft we'll have the rest of economy class on the main deck of the aircraft, with 2 other doors, one there and another one at the back. And behind the back door we have the registration of the aircraft, Alpha 6-Echo Echo uniform, along with the orange and blue tail and rudder of the aircraft. And on the back we also have the tail wings, which contain the elevators of the aircraft. And the only differences on the right hand side of the aircraft are the numbers in engines. So here we have engines 3 and 4, and on engines 3 and 4 we also have the dates for when Dubai Expo was being held in October 2021 and March 2022. And the navigation light on the right wing of the aircraft is green and not red. The right side of the aircraft is also where the cargo doors are. So there's one there and another one here at the front. And on the belly of the aircraft it says Dubai Expo with an orange background, and here we have the main sets of landing gear on both wings and the belly of the aircraft. And here we have the Gemini Jets logo, and at the front we have the nose landing gear. And we also have the registration of the aircraft on the left wing, Alpha 6-Echo Echo uniform. And on the top of the aircraft we have 3 antennas, one here, another one here in the middle, and another one here. And these little white bits on the top of the aircraft would be the Wi-Fi boxes. And that's pretty much everything you need to know about this aircraft. Personally, and I think a lot of people share the same opinion, I really like this livery and I'm really glad that I got this model, and I'm so grateful to my mother for getting it for me at the Aviation Retail Direct shop at London Heathrow Airport in April, so a few months ago now. And I'm really glad that I got to film this livery at London Heathrow Airport in April. Thank you all so much for watching, stay safe, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye!